Good morning, students. Today we will see new topic, vector calculus. This topic we will see basic concepts of vector, then differentiation of vector, velocity and acceleration of vector, and then gradient, divergence, and curl in deep. Now, at first, we will discuss about some basic concepts which already you have learned in 11th and 12th standard. At first, vector is nothing but the quantity having magnitude as well as direction. After that, unit vector, let xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap be a vector, then unit vector is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap divided by magnitude of this vector, means under root x square plus y square plus z square. After that, scalar or dot product, a bar dot b bar is equals to mod of a bar into mod of b bar, means magnitude of a bar and magnitude of b bar into cos theta, where theta is the angle between a bar and b bar. After that, cross product, a bar cross b bar is equals to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into sin theta, where theta is the angle between a bar and b bar. These all concepts we have learned in 11th and 12th standards. Now we will see one question. Find the angle between the vectors a bar is equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap and b bar is equals to 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Now here a bar dot b bar is equals to dot product of these two vectors, means product of coefficients of I, j, k. Then it becomes 3 into c plus 4 into minus 3 plus 0 into 2, means this equals to 6. Now magnitude of a bar, this is under root 3 square plus 4 square plus 0 square, means 5, and magnitude of b bar, this is under root of 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 2 square, which is 7. Therefore now we have cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Therefore this equals 6 upon 5 into 7, means 6 upon 35. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse of 6 upon 35. Now we will see differentiation of a vector. Let r bar is equals to f bar of t be any vector, then dr bar by dt is the derivative of r with respective to t, and it is defined as dr bar by dt is equals to limit as delta t tends to 0 f bar of t plus delta t minus f bar of t divided by delta t. Now one example, if a bar and b bar are constants and r bar is equals to a bar cos of nt plus b bar sin of nt, then prove that d2 r bar by dt square plus n square r bar is equals to 0. Now at first we have r bar is equals to a bar cos of nt plus b bar sin of nt. Therefore dr bar by dt will be minus n a bar sin of nt plus n b bar cos of nt. Then second derivative d2 r bar by dt square, this equals minus n square a bar cos of nt minus n square b bar sin of nt. Now LHS is equals to d2 r bar by dt square plus n square r bar. Substitute the value of d2 r bar by dt square, then plus n square into substitute the value of r bar. After simplification you will get 0, which is our RHS, hence proof. Now next basic concept, which is nothing but velocity and acceleration. Velocity is equals to v bar is equals to dr bar by dt, and acceleration is a bar, which is d2 r bar by dt square. Now we will see one example. A particle moves along the curve x is equals to e raised to minus t, y equals to 2 times cos of 3t, and z is equals to 2 times sin of 3t. Find velocity and acceleration and also magnitude at t equals to 0. At first we have r bar is equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Therefore r bar is equals to, substitute the value of x, y and z, then it becomes e raised to minus ti cap. plus 2 times cos of 3t j cap plus 2 times sin of 3t k cap. Therefore v bar is equals to dr bar by dt is equals to, it becomes minus e raised to minus t I cap minus 6 sin of 3t j cap plus 6 times cos of 3t k cap. At t equals to 0, v bar becomes, substitute t equals to 0 in v bar, therefore you will get v bar is equals to minus I cap plus 6 k cap. Therefore magnitude will be under root minus 1 square means 1, 6 square means 36, this is equals to under root 37. Now a bar is equals to d2 r bar by dt square is equals to e raised to minus t I cap minus 18 cos of 3t j cap minus 18 sin of 3t k cap. At t equals to 0, a bar is equals to I cap minus 18 j cap. Therefore magnitude is equals to under root 1 plus 324. Therefore this equals to under root 325. Now homework on this point. First question, if r bar is equals to a bar e raised to 2t plus b bar e raised to 3t, then show that d2 r bar by dt square minus 5 dr bar by dt plus 6 r bar is equals to 0. And second one is find the velocity and acceleration of a particle moving along the curve x is equals to 2 times sine of 3t, y equals to 2 times cos of 3t, z is equals to 3t. Also find their magnitude. Okay, thank you.